This is access. This access goes to the street of Pensões, in Portuguese Rua das Pensões, and this is the first area of this land. You see, go there, and after all this part, go down to the mountain. You see the mountain? The first part of the mountain is over there. This corner. Go there. Go there. Go there. Mosteiros, these villas have a swimming pool natural and have a pool for boats, okay? You see, this cabana is part of the property. These big trees are part of the property, and the plot of land after these bamboos are part of the property. Like I show in the photo showing, you have water in this land. There is the municipal water. We have water in this property.